Someone get me some water.
Really bad. This is like really bad. Somebody get
Right here.
That
tape ain't gonna work then. Do you have a spare?
Oh, it split it right there. Okay, I got it plugged.
You got it?
and water
See?
coming out.
Where's it at? That's right where it's at. Do you have a spare?
Okay, I got it stopped. Yeah.
You want mine?
Sorry.
Okay, so what I need to do is take your gum, Carly, and stick it right down in there. Ready?
And then we'll put a rock.
Set.
I need another piece. I need another piece.
Hang on.
Chew.
I got it. I got it.
Chew it.
I got it. Oh. Hang on. Lord Jesus, help this gum prevent this tire from going flat, please. Hang on, it's blowing a bubble. It's blowing a bubble. Move back, move back, move back, move back. Oh, it's blowing bubbles. It's blowing bubbles. Hang on, hang on. Hang on, it's blowing bubbles. Stick it in there. Okay, here, let me stick it. Hang on back, just a second.
I'm trying to
Oh, brother. We're done.
Well, we're gonna be here for a little while, looks like. So,
Who's
guys,
gonna find us out here? We have no service.
that's what you carry
Mom,
a
I love
spare
you.
for. The only thing I'm not sure of is how much air is in the spare.
Do you have a pump?
No. Pump's like.
Can we
I
pack
think
some
that
gravel
this-
on it?
I think
Can
this
you
will
put
work.
a piece
Hang
of
on.
rock in it? Can we pack some gravel? Listen. I'm in
I
panic
hate to
mode.
tell you guys, but this is not gonna work.
Well, you know what? I had a lot of hope in that gum. Where's the spare? We plugged it.
Hey, at least we're
Okay.
gonna have to stay the night.
It is
after all.
going flat, but I need to go to a flat spot back here
Well, you better do it
where,
before it's
where
gone.
it's flat.
Well, you need to do it now, because where